Welcome to Journey via Lily's Lens, bringing you nature via my lens, one journey at a time. Good morning from the Texas Hill Country, March the 28th, 2022, I believe. You guys remember when we were down here a couple of months back and we saw some bluebonnet plants down in this dry creek bed? Well, we're back to check it out and see what the progress is. There's been no rain. We're in a really bad drought and we need rain badly. It's cloudy today and we have a 50% chance of rain and a 90% chance of rain tonight. Hopefully it happens. So let's go see what's going on. And here they are. Well, I can tell you that they haven't progressed very well. Looking pretty poor. This was the one little original bluebonnet we found. The plant is stunted. This little plant did not make it. These little plants probably don't have a chance unless we get some rain. That's what happens sometimes. Well, there's your bluebonnet report for today. It's time to head somewhere else to find the bluebonnets, kids. It's not going to happen in the Texas Hill Country. Very unfortunate. See y'all later.